All right, we are on, I think we're on the 7th. Let's actually call this 7.2 in case I show the previous one that I shot today. It's Friday the 19th of, doggone it, August? August, and we're wrapping this project up. So we got a few more days, maybe end of next week. This time next week we should be totally done with this job. So what we're doing today is we're pulling bags out. Now we did this also yesterday, and we pulled out, we got about half of the bags removed from the river. All this area here, right, that much right there was filled with bags. Pulled all those out, and several today. And just to give you an idea of it, while it looks like there's a lot of bags in there, if you look at just this pile right here, now each one of these bags is a 3-foot cube, and if you look at that, we're estimating it'll be, because there's quite a few bags underwater, so we're thinking 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and then on the back side there's probably about 24, 25 bags in that little section there. So take that times each one. Yeah, there's quite a few bags to be removed, and it takes a few, maybe 5 or 10 minutes to take each bag out, because we empty them into those dump trucks that I showed in the previous video, and then the dump trucks will take them back down to the calf cart shop, and it's about a 4-hour round trip for those dump trucks. So they get 2 full loads every day, and it's just a long evolution. And then once the trucks are gone, we still are able to pull bags out, but we're able to, we take the bags and we split them open, and we can put them in this river because it's actually washed river rock. It's just kind of small, like little, I don't want to say pebbles, but they're smaller rocks, and we can put them in here, and the current will take them downstream, and we're not interfering with fish habitat or putting pollutants into the water. They just don't want an incredible amount of the rock to be put into the river. So we're keeping that at a minimum, but it does allow us to continue operating on this job while there are no trucks to dump into. So then what we'll do next week is, this is the new road bed that we put in. This is 5/8 minus on top of 1.25 inch, 2 inch, 4 to 8, and the big huge 5 to 6 foot rock. So this is the road bed. This is the width of the road, regular old two-lane road. And on this side over here, we've got to widen the shoulder a little bit, maybe 2.5 feet into the bushes here. We've got to put a little bit of rock in there to make it wide enough for there to be somewhat of a shoulder. On this side, it's going to be about a 6-foot shoulder, which is kind of cool. So give people plenty of buffer so as not to go in the drink. So that is it. Yeah, we are winding it down, and keep saying it over and over and over, but this is absolutely a gorgeous place to work. There are things I'm going to miss about this project, and the biggest one is, of course, the weather and the scenery. One thing I won't miss too much is the fact that I only get to see my wife and kids about 45 minutes a day, because by the time I get home, it's almost bedtime for everybody. So there you go. All right, so that's a Friday. That's end of a week, and we'll probably do this again maybe one more time before project's over. Take care.